Okay, this is take 3. Just showing you the bass. I'm not going to play it, but it is tuned a whole step up for each string to get the neck angle nice and bowed a bit. Just a little bit bowed. As you can see, the nut action is like crazy high. I mean, that must be a centimeter of clearance right there. The tuners on the back, we're missing some tuner screws for this one, these two tuners. Got the strap blocks installed. I put in the sidewinder humbucker here, and I had to route it out. As you can see, I screwed up a little bit, but it should sound fine. And I had to take the pickup ring off of this. It's free floating. I'll have to put some rings in there. The bridge post, I did a little trick. Philip McKnight should upload a video soon about that trick. I saw it on his Patreon. You hear the pickup wires. This one's the bridge, and this one's the neck. And I think that's it. Not much going on at the headstock. I just need to make sure I get the truss rod adjusted once the neck starts to bend in the right direction. It's really straight. Yeah, that's it.